What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Gharfeh, and today we are at C-Check, a local restaurant here in Gilbert, Arizona. We're gonna try some delicious vegan food. I've been here before, but I've never filmed it. So this is gonna be a review video. So let's get inside and see what it's about. All right guys, so we just ordered and I got the fried chicken soy patty with buffalo ranch, and then Will got the black bean burger. And for the desserts, I got a coconut banana cookie with nice cream and chocolate drizzle, and then Will got some apple pie nachos. So as soon as that food comes out, I'll show you guys. I can't wait. All right guys, so I just finished that fried chicken buffalo patty with the ranch, and it was delicious. The buffalo ranch is so tasty and it was super crispy, so it definitely reminds me of a fried chicken sandwich that I used to have. I got Will's opinion and he loves the black bean patty. He got it with the lemon tahini sauce. Now we're just waiting for our desserts, so as soon as those come out, I will show you guys that.
Out of town with
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. This is so good. This cinnamon fried pita bread. I'm scared. That's over. Oh my god. You see this double chin? It's about to be 3 of them after eating this. Bro. Oh my god. Hey, the reason I'm getting this double chin right here, the last video with the donuts, I don't know what he's trying to do. It's absolutely
Is it incredible?
incredible.
Oh yeah, wait till you try that cookie. You guys are in for a treat.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's try this coconut banana ice cream slash cookie. Wow. Words can't describe how good this is, guys. Literally, this is delicious. So we just finished up the food and it is absolutely delicious. The burger that we had, the spicy chicken sandwich, was really good. The burger that Will had was delicious as well. And also those desserts are just so decadent. I couldn't even finish the cookie ice cream one because it was that good. I also tried some of Will's apple pie nachos, and those were really delicious. Those are probably my favorite, to be honest with you, but that cookie was really, really good. And that soy ice cream, vanilla flavored, on point. So if you guys are in the Gilbert area, make sure to check out C-Check. Total, we paid about 50 bucks total for the food, not including tips. So it's not very expensive at all for the food that you're getting. And yeah, check it out if you guys are in Gilbert. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.